Do you know why the area of a parallelogram is the product of its two sides? Before I answer that, let me explain briefly what a parallelogram is. A parallelogram is a four-sided figure where the opposite sides are parallel and congruent. This also makes the opposite angles equal. A parallelogram with four congruent sides is called a rhombus, while a parallelogram with four right angles is called a rectangle. A parallelogram with both of these properties is called a square because all of its sides and angles are congruent. However, the type of parallelogram doesn't matter when it comes to the area, as the area of a parallelogram is always the product of its base and height. So for a square or rectangle, the area will simply be the product of its two sides. Now let's answer this previous question. Why is the area of a square, rectangle, or any parallelogram, in fact, the product of its base and height? Let me explain with a simple example. Let's take an example of a square with sides that are equal to 4 units. If you divide this square into the smallest possible squares with 1 unit sides, how many of these mini squares will there be? 16, right? This is me basically saying that 4 times 4 equals 16, or that the larger square could be filled with 16 1-unit squares. Now let's look at this rectangle with a length of 5 units and a width of 4 units. This rectangle could be filled with 20 squares with sides that are 1 unit long, making the formula for area length times width. I hope this video helped you understand the concept of a parallelogram. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more concept clips. Thank you.